Hello each and everyone, welcome back to my channel, Will's Kitchen Table. Chef Will is here today. As I always say, another amazing recipe I'm gonna prepare for you guys today. Today I'm doing a French recipe today. It's a chicken coq au vin. Chicken all washed and cut up, ready for you guys, ready to go in the pot. First thing, we're gonna put some spices on it and get it going. Get the chicken coq au vin going. All right, so guys, let's just jump right in and get it going. All right, so this is my chicken here, already washed, cut up and washed with lime and vinegar, nice and clean. For this recipe, you keep the skin on. There's some pieces that the skin is not on. So what I'm gonna do, I already crushed some garlic through inside. I'm actually putting some thyme leaves inside here. So that's what we have right here. This is about 5 pieces of leg and back. I just cut them in pieces. These are the spices that I'm using. This is all-purpose spice right here. This is a tablespoon, and I got a tablespoon of chicken spice right here and a tablespoon of garlic powder. And right here I got a teaspoon of mustard powder and teaspoon of paprika and a half a teaspoon of black pepper. All right, those are the spices that we're using on it right now. So I'm just gonna shake these spices all over it. Guess it's seasoned properly. I'm just gonna let this sit for about an hour before I start cooking it, guys. And this is just my version of the chicken coq au vin. And I also have onions right here. Normally they use pearl onions, mushrooms inside the chicken coq au vin, but I'm not using any mushrooms today or pearl onions, just regular onions and green onions. And I have tomatoes and fresh thyme and garlic right there. So you're just gonna get a couple sprigs, just the thyme leaves right on there. All right, that should be good enough. What I'm gonna do right now is drizzle some light olive oil over it. We're just gonna marinate this, and we're gonna brown it in the pot. But before, have a little bit of browning right here. I'm gonna put on it for color. Gonna get tip off that. I'd say just about a teaspoon should work. I'm just gonna rub this right in the chicken. And my first time doing this recipe back in the days in the hotel, I remember I always say this chicken is similar to the fricassee chicken, or just the way, you know, they do the chicken. Brown it nicely, and they make the sauce for it. So that's the chicken there, guys, nice and marinate. We're just gonna let that sit for about an hour, and we're gonna start cooking later. So it's time to get this chicken going. It's been sitting over an hour. I'm just gonna get it in the pot right now and start browning this. Smells so good. And it's serving with mashed potatoes, guys. I'm doing some garlic mash. It's the best with garlic mash. That's how you want to get the chicken brown nicely, guys. Looking good. So guys, right now, I'm gonna get all this stuff inside. The onions. Scallions and the tomatoes going in there. You just put them all over. Guys, I have some wine right here. I'm going to pour this wine right in there. You can use red wine, white wine. I'm using some white wine right here. Zinfandel white. I'm gonna add some water to this. Just gonna let this stay there and simmer until that chicken is nice and tender, falling off the bone. Coco vein looking so good. Just gonna put a lid right on it. Let it simmer. So the chicken is on simmering right now. I poured the wine in and the chicken broth is in there as well. I got some butter melting right here. I'm gonna pour some cream on that. This is for the mash. Should be good enough. I also have some garlic that I roast off in the oven right here. They're nice and tender right now. We're gonna get the skin off and we're gonna mash that inside the mash. I'm gonna get potato mash right now. A little bit of salt on this. A bit of cracked pepper. I'll pour on all the goodness right here. But I like to start crushing it a little bit. I already put in all that nice garlic that roasted in the oven. You don't want to overwork your potato. As soon as it's crushed, it should be okay. A little bit of lump is okay in your mashed potato. That should do it. Guys, the chicken coq au vin is ready. Look at it. It's beautiful. See all the onions there. As I said, guys, I didn't use any mushrooms. Beautiful. So right now we're going to plate the chicken coq au vin. Get a nice dollop of your potato right in the center of your plate right there, like that. Make it nice and high. Alright. We're gonna get our chicken right on it. So we'll try to get a piece of the chicken thigh right up there. This is where I really want to put it, right here. You just push it onto it like that. And then you're gonna get one of the drumstick. All right. I'm gonna set it right inside like this. Beautiful. Looking beautiful. That's how you want it to be. You get some of the nice coq au vin sauce. Just pour that right over your mash like that. Magnificent. Looking beautiful. So right now, I got some spears. Some carrot spears right here that I'm just gonna put on. A little bit of zucchini. Like that. Some yellow ones there too. Another piece of green. And that's how you want to do it to get a beautiful plate. To impress anyone you want to impress. And I got some nice sprig of fresh thyme here from the garden. Just gonna put some on there like that. Beautiful. How better could you get that? Looking nice over your nice coq au vin right here. That's your chicken coq au vin. Just show you guys a plate. What it looks like. Right around. All right. Beautiful. All right, so I just want to say thanks for watching again, guys. Like, subscribe to this channel if you're new. Keep on sharing the videos. Keep the love coming, and I'll keep the recipes coming. All right, I guess I'll catch you guys in the next one.